tandaan mo lang anak, mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita.
Enjoy na yung pagkakadalaga, siyempre.
Lagi kang mag-seek ng guidance.
Ang maging inspirasyon mo sana yung iyong pangarap sa buhay.
We're looking forward for your dreams to come true.
Go out there, chase your dreams, and live big.
Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful lady, the prettiest, and the gorgeous, no other than Miss Beatriz Alexandria Cantor.
You've grown to a very beautiful, smart, and kind lady. Stay as sweet as you are. And my prayer for you is that may God bless you and guide you in all your dreams.
Kung ano yung gusto mong pursue na course, no, i-bless ka ni Lord at yung parents mo naman lagi nakasupport sa'yo at saka yung kuya mo.
Yung carnation, parang ikaw yun. Ang ganda talaga niya.
Lily of the Valley, simply because it embodies purity, joy, love, happiness, and luck. It's something that a woman who turns 18 has to have when she grows up and as she enjoys the adult life.
Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze, do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good.
Happy Ligati, Bea! We love you! Happy birthday, Ate Bea! We always got your back! Happy birthday, Ate Bea! Love you lots!
Happy birthday, Beatriz Alexandria Cantor! Hopefully today is filled with a lot of good. Enjoy your day and your birthday.
I love you, Bea. Thank you so much for being a good friend.
Hi, Bea! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Bea!
Stay kind and true.
Let's let go unnecessary. Forget about the ordinary. Yeah, we don't need all that. We could just lay back, let the moment last. Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze, do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good.
Happy birthday, Bea! Thank you for being such a good friend to me. I'm so happy na naging close tayo ng grade 10. I promise to always be here to support you. I got your back and front.
You deserve the softest kind of love, and I hope you feel that today. I love you, Bea.
We can have it all. Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze, do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good.
Alam ko mataas ang pangarap mo. Kahit tapos ka na, susuportahan ko kung ano yung gusto mong marating sa buhay mo.
Kung ano ka ngayon, yan ay resulta ng iyong pagpupunyagi sa buhay mo.
Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa mo. Lagi mong tatandaan. Okay?
I'm gonna be